Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have your numbers. Begin with the first actionable step. Click the cell where you want the quotient, for example C2, and type equals A2/B2. Press Enter to compute the result immediately. This divides the value in A2 by B2 so you can see the quotient at once. Make sure the reference cells contain numbers, not text, and confirm Excel's formula bar shows the expression, otherwise Excel won't calculate. Once done, you'll have the basic quotient ready for the next steps. Now refine how Excel presents the quotient and how you apply it across rows. If you need 2 decimal places, change the formula to equals round, A2/B22. If you want an integer, use int, A2/B2. To keep a fixed divisor when copying, lock that cell with $signs. For example, equals A2/$B2, and then drag the fill handle or double-click it to fill all rows. Make sure relative references shift as intended. Otherwise, results will reference the wrong cells and produce incorrect quotients. Finish by making your sheet robust and readable. Wrap the division with if or IFER to prevent divide by zero errors. For example, equals if, B2 equals 0, A2/B2, or equals IFER, A2/B2, error. This keeps the sheet clean. Format the quotient cells for decimal places or percent and align them for clarity. Finally, spot check a few rows to confirm accuracy. If numbers look wrong, inspect cell references and formatting. Most issues come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.